So in today's video, I'll be showing you the secrets like that helped me through my fitness journey. So, and then I will show you the tips and tricks that I did to get me to where I am right now. So in the end of the video, I will show you everything, like, to be honest. So my fitness journey started when I was in ninth grade. So when I was in ninth grade, I was skinny. I was actually very small. So I started fitness like influencing, like I was just putting like cameras and doing home workouts like that. And then I didn't have like that like accurate knowledge. I don't have that guide. But now I'm helping you guys who want to start with, so you might like to watch this video to the end. So when I started, I was having backlashes too. I was having like people telling me, you don't have to do this, like this, what you have, when you do this is gonna happen, your body will look like this, you won't do like this, you end up getting like slammed one way, all those kind of talks, like, which actually made me lose motivation like when I started. But later on I started watching like other fitness videos, like getting better, like, and then like reading books about it, and then I was actually getting better. So I know like going to actually like starting like fitness is actually healthy, and then it's gonna help me a lot. So to be honest, I'm gonna tell you like fitness like changed my life totally. So the type of person I was before and now is actually different. So even if I meet some people, they tell me like you have changed a lot, and it's not just because of my body but also my behavior. So when I started my fitness influencing my fitness journey in my ninth grade, I was, like I said, I was having like people telling me stop, like don't do this, you know, and other stuffs. So but I kept going later on. So when I started with only like home workout. So I was doing push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups, and only those stuffs like calisthenics stuffs. So I was only doing that. But then by then I don't have like any gym equipments. Like I was at home, out the backyard. That's where I do all the stuffs. So actually I will show you like the backyard where I do all of those stuffs. Like if I tell you, like, you won't believe me, yeah, but that's where I actually do all my stuffs. It's like at the backyard. So this was actually the backyard I used to like do my push-ups, and I remember having this thing when I'm doing my push-ups and other stuff. So I was having like a lot of them here. And then I want to show you my pull-up, where I do my pull-ups before. So before I was doing my pull-ups here. Yep, this was like where I was doing my pull-ups. I was using this as my pull-up bar, and then now I got the gym, alhamdulillah. And then yeah, I started doing calisthenics, focusing on calisthenics. So when I focused on calisthenics, I then started going to the gym. So when I started going to the gym, it was like when I already graduated like from high school. So, but before graduating from high school, and then I started doing like the workouts, which was like, I downloaded apps like the 30 days workout apps. And then I downloaded actually 3 apps, like I said, and I completed everything. Like that was like my biggest like accomplishment I did. Like I challenged myself, the 30 days workout, I completed everything, and then I was actually in shape. Like I said, I was in shape. So then I started getting like a little bit like pumped, yeah, a little bit. But then when I graduated, I started going to the gym. But when I started going to the gym, and then I started working out, but things were really new to me because like, I've been watching a lot of like gym videos. So when I have like a few coaches that helped me, and then from that first month, like everything, I like trained myself. So I had like a little bit guidance at the tip, at the like bottom before going up. So after then, I helped myself like going up. So I started like going to the gym, and then working out like normal gym, and then mixing bodybuilding and calisthenics. So it was quite good. I started calisthenics, so I don't want to like stop doing calisthenics and focus on bodybuilding more, because I like those calisthenics freestyle stuffs. So I just mixed both of them. So I kept going until where I am right now. So if I tell you something, you won't believe me. Before the time I was starting my fitness journey, yeah, my friends were telling me like I was doing this, like you should not go, or like you should not go to the gym. But if I tell you something, you won't believe me. right now they are the same like type of group of people that actually tells me like, yo Jaco, you know what, like make a video about this. Yeah, you know what, you need to give me like some workout tips and tricks, bro. Like you looking Jaco, I want to be like you, you know, I want to do this. And then I just sit and remember like these were the same type of people that tell me like when you go to the gym you will look like this. When I meet them in the street they'll be like, wow bro, you huge, bro, you in shape. Before like they were the one like who tell me do not go, like don't go to the gym. But now, yeah, it is what it is. Such is life. So this is gonna tell you that no matter where you start, you must have people like telling you do not do it. So you must have that set of people that will be telling. It's not they like your enemies, but it's just life. They'll be telling you that do not do it. So you have to start. So the starting point is always the hardest part. So after that, then you just relax and then focus on what you want to do. So after then, and then I started discovering some secrets that helped me. So by then I was discovering them like one by one easily. So then the first secret that I discovered was like keep training and keep eating. So I train and eat, because I was small. Like I wasn't like I didn't want to lose weight. I actually wanted to gain weight. So I was training, eating, train, eat, train, eat, train, eat, train, eat. And then later on when I train, eat at night, guess what I do? Netflix, movies, all the time, movies. So which actually is actually bad. So that was my number one bad stuff I did. So I started like watching movies at night, only movies, and then later on I discovered that I need actually a good amount of sleep. So that good amount of sleep, I started doing it too. I got better. My mind was actually faster, and then it gives me like the discipline like to start the other day and then also work out. Because like sometimes when I work out and then I sleep late, I wake up late and then have the time to work out. So most of the time I have the time to work out in the morning. So by the afternoon the motivation just goes away. So then I started to build discipline. That's the key one, the key secret. I started to build discipline. I keep building discipline one by one easily. Working out day after day, weeks after weeks, months after months, year after year to where I am right now. So then later on I discovered that I don't need the proteins and like the protein powder, like taking creatines and other stuff right now. Trust me, I don't take like these protein powders or creatine stuffs right now. I don't take them. So I just wanted like, maybe I'll take them later on, but not right now. Maybe I'm planning to take creatine sooner, but not protein right now. Protein, yeah, I can, but not right now, yeah, like I said. So I started eating like protein based food. I make my own like milkshake from banana, like avocados and other stuff, like getting those natural proteins. So later on I started to like influencing, like seriously starting to help people. So the secrets of like that helped me like was that I started watching other videos, like this type of videos that I'm making for you guys right now to help you. That was the same videos I use, and then which actually helped me. So the secrets is I learn from people that are actually bigger than me. So that's the thing. You learn from people that are actually where you want to be right now. So that's what I want to do. So if you want to be like where I'm right now in a fitness journey, and then I would like you to subscribe, and then I will keep uploading more videos, and then I will entertain you and I will also help you through your fitness journey. So we are all youth, so then no one is perfect, so we're helping each other. So then after I started, like I said, eating, sleep, build a discipline. Those are the key stuffs I did. And then later on I discovered that you don't need to work out like every single day. So I started cutting my workout, having my rest days. Before then I don't have no rest days. Like if I tell you seriously, I don't have rest days. So after the other second thing I did was like I started making goals. I started to set goals. So when I was like, I was having a tape line, I just measured my biceps, and then my biceps were a little bit more, like my arms were a little bit smaller. So I'll be like, okay, maybe trace like maybe like this number. The next week I want to get bigger, so I will keep like training harder, doing more bicep curls like to get to that point. So that actually helped me a lot, and my push-up progress too, it helps me a lot. So if I push up like 30 today, the next day I do like maybe like 35 and at least 5. So I was getting better, and then I can do like 100 push-up straights. And then if you watch this video, I did the 100 push-up straight. By the end of the video you can watch it. In the end of the video, when the video finishes, you can watch that one where I did the 100 push-up challenge. So that's how I kept improving, and it helped me through my fitness journey. Set goals is a secret, trust me. You won't regret if you set goals. It keeps motivating you. So I remember, but one thing I remember, yeah, that helped me like doing like fitness stuffs more. Like it's during my high school, I had someone who also does like this fitness stuff. So I was like, man, this guy does this and I do this. So we keep exchanging ideas. We compete each other. So I will go back home and then train a lot so that I can beat that guy on like arm wrestle or push up contest or pull up contest. So we all also do this calisthenics posing stuffs. So we do it together and we actually help a lot. So which that part also helped me in building me. And then right now and then yeah, it is what it is. So it helped me a lot, and then these are the secrets that helped me. So use these secrets, is gonna help you through your workout progress. And then make sure you subscribe to this channel. You won't regret it. I will keep uploading more of those and then keep entertaining you. Soon I have lots of videos, funny videos and entertaining videos, and then educative videos too that are coming soon. And then I want you to stay tuned, subscribe and turn on the post notification, and also like this video, because the likes also give me a lot of motivation when I'm doing these videos. So at least when someone likes the video, I feel like I've actually inspired someone. So which means that I keep uploading more. Some of my videos I get like 10 likes, 11 likes. Well, I've actually appreciated a lot from you guys, and then that's why I keep posting like more videos. So at least I'm inspiring some people. So I want to tell you that thank you for all that, and then subscribe to this channel, and then this is the end of the video. Now you get everything you want to know. This is a secret. And then I don't use steroids. That's the one thing. If I use steroids, then I will be like super jacked. So I don't use steroids. I make sure I stay clean, I build naturally, and then have a good health. So that's what we're all praying for, isn't it? So and then peace out. I will see you in the next video. Ciao.